So in honor of the World Cup, we're gonna see how long I can juggle this ball for. It's not even a real soccer ball, it's actually a volleyball, but it works. I used to play soccer back in the day. Oh, this is the first clip. I thought this was gonna take way more tries. Okay, I don't know how long that was, but that was pretty good. I played soccer in like elementary school, and then I switched over to football, a real man's sport. No, I'm kidding. But my dad is from Brazil, so I should have that Brazilian soccer in me. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the M4 build. In front of me, we have something very exciting. What we have is a single mid-pipe designed by IRL. Oh my gosh, that is hot. It's like almost 100 degrees, and these pipes have been sitting in the sun for about an hour. So I don't know if I can pick it up. So these exhaust tips are very popular in the BMW scene. They're from ARM, they're brushed silver, and they have a bigger diameter, so they should really pop on the car. We did get this nice cross plate from IRL, which is gonna just look cool. I mean, you don't really see it, but it's cool to have it, better support. Tomorrow we drop off the car at the exhaust shop to get the mid-pipe installed, which means today, the only thing I can work on is installing the exhaust tips because those are pretty easy. So we're gonna throw those on the car here shortly. I know some of you guys are like, Mike, but you could have got a titanium exhaust. You could have got the equal length exhaust. You could have got a Z pipe like everybody's raging about. I understand, guys, and I'm not opposed to any of those options, but the reality of it, the single mid-pipe with downpipes paired with your factory muffler is truly the best bang for the buck, and it really does sound good. I mean, it sounds aggressive, deep, and throaty. It really eliminates that high-pitch rasp that the S55 has. So to kickstart the exhaust setup, I do want to go this route. And if anybody wants to sponsor me, I mean, I'd be more than happy to rotate some exhaust parts out and try different setups. It's the next day, and I did not end up getting the exhaust tips installed. We ended up playing volleyball and things got carried away. So here are the new exhaust tips. These are gonna look way more aggressive than these OEM and performance tips. They're a bit bigger in diameter, and that brushed silver just really pops. I have to drop off the car at the exhaust shop. I'm running a bit late, so we're gonna install the exhaust tips after we drop the car off. But real quick, let's do our last cold start with the stock exhaust. So let's open up the valves, tap the gas. Valves just opened, and let's start it. It's still pretty loud for stock. This is about to be way louder. So I've got the mid pipes all loaded up. So let's head over to the shop. I know how to install the mid-pipe myself. I did it on my old car. But I don't have access to a lift right now, and I'm not trying to crawl on my back on jack stands and install this mid-pipe. So I have an exhaust shop right down the street from my house. They've done work for me in the past, and it's always been great. So I'm just gonna drop the car off with them, have them get it bolted on, and we'll pick it up when I get off work today. So I'm freaking excited, and I just love this car. Oh my gosh. So we just dropped off the M4. So hopefully by end of today, we should have the mid-pipe installed, and can't wait for it, guys. This thing's about to sound super nice. All right, guys, so we're picking up the M4. About to go get the keys. The exhaust looks awesome. Check that out. Single mid-pipe for the win. Looks so good up there. All right, let's go drive home and see how this thing sounds. It's definitely a bit louder. I do need some downpipes though. It's not loud enough, not quite. But this is step one for the exhaust setup. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Oh my gosh. Not too shabby. You can't go wrong with a single mid-pipe. That's definitely louder. Oh my gosh, that sounds awesome. I got my little brother following me and I can see him smiling, so I think he agrees that it's louder. So we have a slight problem, and no, it has nothing to do with the mid-pipe. In fact, here is a cold start from this morning on what it sounded like. Take a listen. So the problem revolves around the exhaust tips. Now, I had these exact same exhaust tips on my old M4, but what I did not know until after I aggressively hammered off this exhaust tip was my M Performance muffler does not have the same diameter pipes as the original muffler that you get on the M4s. So the diameter does not fit, and when you slide it on, it's super loose. Even when you tighten the screw, it does not clamp on. There's still like this much space around it. So these ARM exhaust tips will not work, and that is a bummer because they're so aggressive. We have to do some research and figure out what aftermarket exhaust tips will work on the M Performance muffler, because I was really excited about the upgraded tips because I want a more aggressive look on the rear end, but it's not gonna happen today, so we're gonna have to put this on pause and figure out a new solution. But we do have good news. The downpipes did arrive. They are fully catless. We will not be installing them in today's video, but this is really gonna complete the exhaust setup that we're going for in the M4. We're gonna film some flybys with the new mid-pipe installed on this beautiful road here in Mexico. It's golden hour, and let's see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. It's not loud enough, but much better than stock. So I just pulled over and I found these tire tracks on this hill. So I'm gonna back the M4 up because these could be some really good cinematic shots that we can get of the car.